Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting quiet on your team. Progress main missions until her encounter and complete the extraction. Once done, open your ACC buddy loadout and assign quiet to the active slot. Make sure her rank and weapon specialization match your playstyle. You want her equipped and available before leaving the helicopter, because deployment only triggers on mission. Also check her support items and suppression level, so she behaves predictably once you enter the AO. Once deployed, tell quiet what you need. Use radial commands to set stealth or aggressive engagement. You should keep her at distance when acting as a sniper, move to higher ground and let her cover your advances. Use quiet to recon by having her mark enemies so you can plan routes. When she takes shots, follow up with non-lethal methods if you want prisoners. Make sure to manage her suppression and stamina so she remains accurate during prolonged fights. Finish missions by extracting or keeping quiet alive so your bond and level persist. Returning to ACC lets you purchase upgrades and assign new gear. Once done, use support items to clear suppression or stamina penalties before the next sortie, because those affect performance. If quiet stops responding or behaves erratically, try redeploying her from the buddy menu or reload the last checkpoint to reset her AI. If problems persist, swap buddies temporarily and revisit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.